Hey everyone! Do you have a smartphone? Do you charge your phone with the case on? Or use a fast charger every day? Or let your battery drain to less than 5% before charging it? Did you know that these habits can harm your phone's battery? In this video, we will talk about 3 habits that you should avoid when charging your smartphone. We will also tell you how to take care of your battery so it lasts longer and performs better. Thanks for tuning in to my video. If you're enjoying the content so far, I'd really appreciate it if you could take a moment to like this video and leave a comment down below. I love hearing from my audience and it helps me tailor my content to what you guys want to see more of. So, let's get started. Charging your phone with the case on. Do you like to keep your phone case on while charging your smartphone? If yes, then you might want to listen to this. Charging your phone with a case on can harm your phone's battery. It can cause 2 major problems: battery overheating and connector breakage. Let's understand how this can happen. Sometimes, the phone case has a bad opening for the cable, and it doesn't fit properly. Over time, this can cause the charging connector to break. Also, when you charge your phone with a case on, it may get too hot, which can slow down the charging speed and reduce the lifespan of the battery. So, to keep your phone's battery healthy, it's recommended to remove the case while charging your phone. It's a small but essential step to ensure the longevity of your phone's battery. Using the fast charger every day. Do you use a fast charger to charge your smartphone every day? Well, did you know that it can harm your phone's battery? If your phone comes with a 40W or faster charger, it's essential not to use it every day because this habit can degrade the battery considerably in just 1 year of use. But don't worry, there is a solution. You can have a secondary, slower charger that you use for overnight recharges. And only use the fast charger when you need a quick charge. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but using an extremely fast charger every day can put a lot of strain on your battery and cause it to degrade faster. By using the slow charger, you can protect your battery and make it last longer. So, remember to be mindful of how you charge your smartphone and use the fast charger only when you need it. Draining the battery below 5%. This bad habit that many smartphone users have is letting their battery go below 5% before charging it. This is a really bad habit because it can put a lot of stress on the battery. When the battery goes from 10% to 15%, it causes even more stress. And if you do this every day, it can make your battery wear out much faster than usual. So, it's best to charge your phone when the battery is at 15 to 20% and not lower. While it's okay to do this occasionally, doing it every day is not recommended. Remember, your battery is an important part of your phone and taking care of it can make it last longer. Taking care of your smartphone battery is important to make it last longer and work better. By avoiding bad habits, like charging your phone with the case on, using a fast charger every day, and draining the battery too low, you can improve your phone's charging and extend the life of your battery. The battery is a very important part of your phone, so it's important to take care of it. By avoiding these habits and taking care of your battery, you can improve your phone's charging speed, increase your battery's lifespan, and prevent future problems. These habits may seem small, but they can make a big difference. So remember to take good care of your battery. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos and you'll never miss out on any of the fun. So, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to my channel, it would mean the world to me. Thanks for watching.